How to add a comment to your favorite on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add a comment to your favorite on TikTok. It's so easy. All you need to do is follow those steps I'm gonna give you. First thing, go to your TikTok. Now I'm playing videos and I like this video, and I'm gonna read comments. Now, if I wanna add a comment to my favorites, all I need to do is keep clicking on the screen and click on add to favorite. Now this comment is on my favorite comments. Like this again, add to favorite. It's so easy. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.